Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how you can easily connect your Outlook to Uipath. Whether you are automating emails, managing tasks, or synchronizing your calendar, this guide will get you set up in no time, in very easily and very fast way. S- Let's get started. First, open the browser, whatever you are using, and search for UiPath and click on the first link you have seen, and then click on try UiPath free to get started. Now, next you have to click on continue with Microsoft, choose your account, and then click on accept. After that, select your country or region and hit next. Now, you have to enter your cloud organization name. Click on create organization, and once it's created, select template and click on try it now. So to move forward, now click on next, and from the available option choose Outlook, and then click on let's go to setup. Here search for Outlook and click on it, then click connect to Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint. Now select your environment and hit connect. Pick the correct Microsoft account, scroll and click accept, and that's it. As you can see, Outlook is now connected to UiPath and you are all set to start automating. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.